This conference will now be recorded.
Now, is my voice audible to everyone for the last row?
Yes.
So in the previous session, we have discussed about the Salesforce CRM, and we have discussed what exactly Salesforce CRM and what we can do with the help of Salesforce CRM, and what are the various features available we have discussed. And as part of CRM, we have discussed about the various terminology yesterday, and we have discussed the lead conversion process. So we have discussed what exactly a lead and how can we capture the leads and how to convert the leads as the customers. And upon converting the lead as a customer, what will happen behind the screen and what kind of records will be generated by Salesforce and what each record represents, we have discussed in the previous session. Okay, so now let's continue with that process here. So in the previous session, we have discussed the marketing process, how the marketing people are going to be conducting the campaigns and the various marketing channels that we have discussed. And then during that marketing, they're capturing the leads. And we have discussed what exactly a lead. What do you mean by a lead basically? What it represents? Lead is nothing but what? Now, when coming to the lead is nothing but a person who just showed interest in your product or service. So whenever we are promoting our products by using the various marketing channels, it may be through campaigns, it may be through stalls or TV advertisements, theater advertisements, social media also, or anything whatever. Whenever we are promoting our products, during the promotion, the people who just showed interest in our products or services, those are called as leads. Okay, lead is not our customer. Lead is different, customer is different. Okay, lead in the sense the person who just showed interest. He may buy the product, he may not buy the product. There is no guarantee. Okay, now, so in this case, the marketing people are keep on promoting the products by conducting the various campaigns and by using the various marketing channels, and through those channels they are going to be collecting the various lead people's data who are interested to buy our products. Now, so once the leads information has been captured, then what is the next step? Right. So now whatever the leads information they have captured, this leads information they're sharing to the sales team. Because with this one, marketing people's job is over. Marketing people's main job is they have to keep on promoting the products by using the various channels, and they have to capture the leads data, and this leads data they have to pass to sales team. That's it. The job is over. From there, the sales people will involve. Now, the sales people are going to be collecting the leads records, and then based on this contacts information, the sales team will contact the lead over the phone or by sending an email notification or by meeting the people directly by taking some appointments. Now, so once they meet the people, they will be start giving the information about our organization. They will be giving the information about the product which he is interested. They're giving the information about the new features which they have introduced in the product. They're giving the information about the benefits what they're offering, services what they're offering, discounts what they're offering, warranties what they're offering. They will be giving the whole information, and if required, the sales team is going to follow up with the people multiple times also, and finally they will convince the lead to buy our product. Once the lead person is ready to buy the product, then we are converting the lead as our customer. Okay, now in this case, whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce generates how many records? 3 records: an account, and a contact, and an opportunity. These are the 3 records will be generated upon converting the lead as the conversion. Okay, Now, so what this account record describes basically, account record contains basic details of the customer. Okay. Now the contact record contains the contact details of the customer. That means in order to contact that customer, whatever the contact details are required, all those details will be available inside your contact record. And then the opportunity record describes what? Revenue.
Revenue
Opportunity
generated.
describes how much revenue we did with the customer, how much business we did with the customer. The whole information will be available as part of this opportunity record. Okay, this whole process is called as lead conversion process in Salesforce. Okay, now let's see. Let me move forward. For example, today a customer has purchased our product. Whenever customer is purchasing the product, we have given some assurance also to the customer. Dear customer, today you are investing some amount in order to buy one of our products. So from today onwards, you are the owner of this product. You can start utilizing that product as well. So upon using this product, if you're facing any problem, then we are responsible. Okay, we are responsible. That means we are ready to provide the service to you. How long? Lifelong we are providing the service to you, but from that service, the first 1 year will be the free service. Okay, because as an organization, we have to give the assurance to the organic customer. We have to give some assurance to the customer, because without the warranty, the people won't invest some money blindly. Okay, so now in this case, we are giving some assurance in terms of warranty. Dear customer, if you are facing any problem with our product, then we are responsible. So we are ready to provide the service to you. That too, it will be lifelong service. But from that service, the first 1 year will be the free service, and after that also we are providing the service to you, which is chargeable. Depends upon the problem, depends upon the service. We are charging some amount as well. Okay. Now, so in this case here, okay. Now in this case, for example, today customer is facing some problem with the product. Then what needs to be done? For example, myself, I'm a customer. I'm using this laptop. I have purchased this laptop from HP people, from the HP showroom. So now since almost 6 months, it is working very fine. Today, I'm facing some problem with this laptop. When I press the power button, my laptop is not rebooting. It is not starting. Then what can I do? We need to make a call to the customer care. For what? For the service. That means we need to raise a complaint. Okay, we need to raise a complaint. That complaint is called as case. Okay, that complaint is called as a case. Now, so what exactly the case over here? How can we define the case? When coming to the case is nothing but the detailed information of the problem which the customer is facing with my product or service. Customer may be using my product, or he may be using my services also. So now because of my product, because of my service, he's facing some issue. The detailed information of that issue is called as a case. Okay. Now why I'm using this word detailed information is, let me explain. For example, today I'm facing some problem with this laptop. When I press the power button, my laptop is not rebooting. Okay, I don't know why. I tried a lot with the different ways, but no luck. So finally, I made a call to the customer care of HP people. Then simply, if I'm saying that, okay, my laptop is not working, how the people can understand what is the problem. If I'm saying simply, my laptop is not working, the people don't know what exactly the problem. So in this case, we have to give the detailed information of the problem. So dear customer support, since almost 6 months I'm using this laptop, it is working very fine. There is no issue. But since today morning, when I press the power button, so my laptop is not rebooting. So could you please solve my issue? Then they can understand it is a problem because of a power button. So based on that, they'll be suggesting some solutions to you. Maybe there is an issue with the charger adapter. Maybe there is an issue in the battery. The battery might be dead. Maybe there is a problem in the power socket also. We'll suggest the various solutions. If the problem is not solved, then they will be suggesting you to go to the nearest service center to fix your problem. That means what? If I'm giving the detailed information about the problem, then only the people can give the exact solution to you. So that when coming to the case is nothing but the detailed information of the problem which the customer is facing with our product or service. Okay, clear? Now, so now tell me who is taking care of these cases? Hmm. Sales team or service team? Service team. Okay. Now, till now here, till now we have discussed lead conversion. So with this one, sales people's job is over. Now the service people are entering into the picture. Okay. Now the case management will be taken care by the service team. Okay. So the service team will be receiving the customer's cases and they will solve those issues as well. Okay. Now let me give the definition of this case. Case is nothing but the detailed information of the problem which the customer is facing with our product or service. He may be utilizing my product or he may be utilizing my service. So now upon using this product or service, if the customer is facing any issue, the detailed information of that issue is called as a case. Okay. Now for example, as a customer, I have raised a case. Next, what is the next step? As an organization, what they have to do? From my end, I'm done. As a customer, I'm facing some problems. So immediately I have informed to the organization, dear organization, so today I'm facing some problem with your product. So please solve my issue. I'm done with from my end. Then as an organization, what we need to do?
The service people have to create a
We
service
need to
request
provide
number.
a service. That means we have to provide solution. We have to appoint a service person. So now the service person has to fix that customer's issue. So when coming to the organization, they're providing solution. Okay, solution. Observe the terminology over here. These are all are the various terms or the vocabulary which we are using as part of CRM. Okay, now. So now, how can we define solution? The detailed information of resolution. Okay, resolution of the case. So whatever the case the customer has raised till now, so now the detailed step-by-step approach to solve that problem, that is called as solution. So solution is nothing but the detailed information of the resolution of the case. In order to resolve that case, in order to fix that problem, whatever the step-by-step approach we used to follow, that step-by-step approach is called as a solution. Okay, now let me give the definition. Solution is nothing but the detailed information of the resolution of the case. Resolution of the case. Okay. Now, so these are few terminology which we are using as part of our Salesforce CRM. Okay, these are few terminology. Along with that, we are having some more terms also. Let me explain those terms as well. Now, so we are having the various terms. Like as of now, we have discussed the various terms are the vocabulary. Now, like we have discussed about campaign. We have discussed about lead, account, contact, opportunity, case, solution. Like the similar way, we have few more terms are also available. Like as we have product, we have price book. Product is nothing but a object which contains all the products information. Whatever the products that we are offering to the customer, each and every product information will be available inside your product object. Each product will be having a price. That price information will be available inside the price book. And then we have order object, which contains all the orders information which has been raised by the customers through online. And then contract object, which contains all the contracts information which we have received from the various clients or the vendors. And the quote object, which contains all the quotations information. Feedback object, which contains all the feedbacks information. Like that, we have so many terms are available as part of Salesforce CRM. Now, these terms are also called as objects. These are called as objects. Simply in one word, I can say object is nothing but table. Table. Okay, object is nothing but table. In our general terminology, we are calling it as table, but as part of Salesforce, we are calling it as object. Okay, object means simply table. Simple concept. In our real world, in our other programming languages, we're calling them as tables, which contain some rows and columns. But as part of Salesforce CRM, we have to refer them as object. Okay, don't use the word table. Okay, use the word object. So object means simply table. Okay, now, so these are all are the objects. Campaign object, that means campaign table, lead table, account table, contact table, opportunity table. These are all are the various tables which has been given by Salesforce as part of Salesforce CRM to store your customers data, to store your leads data, to store your revenue data, to store your services data. Salesforce has given all these objects to you by default. Okay, as part of Salesforce CRM, they have given all these objects by default to store your sales related, service related, and the marketing related data. Because in order to store the data, always we are going to use the tabular structures. Why? Because managing the data in the form of tabular format is very, very easy. Okay, instead of storing in the form of file formats, we have to store the data in the form of tabular structure, which will be very easy to manage the data as well. For that reason, we are going to be using the various objects which has been given by Salesforce by default as part of Salesforce CRM. Okay, clear till now? Now, next one. So now in this case here, not only observing these words, we need to understand the relation also. Is these tables are independent or do we have any relation? If yes, what kind of relation is available? We should be able to understand. Okay, now. So now tell me in this case, let's see the relations. Let's see the relations among these objects. Now, for example, we have campaign and the lead. So now tell me, between these two, we are having some relation or not? If yes, what kind of relation? Is it one-to-one or one-to-many? One-to-many. How do you know one-to-many? By conducting one campaign, how many leads we can capture? So many, multiple leads also. Okay, that means campaign in the sense of one of the marketing channel, one of the marketing process. Okay, in order to promote our products. Whenever I'm conducting some campaign, not only one person, multiple people will show interest to visit my campaign to get the details about our products. So not only one person, we can capture multiple leads also. So between this campaign and the lead, we are having one-to-many relation. Okay, one-to-many relation. So by conducting one campaign, we can capture multiple leads also. Okay, understood the concept here? Now, next one. Second one, account and opportunity. Now tell me, what is the relation? One-to-one or one-to-many or what?
One-to-many.
One-to-many.
One-to-one or one-to-many?
One-to-many. One-to-many.
One-to-many or one-to-one? Yesterday we have discussed what exactly an opportunity. Opportunity is nothing but simply a bill. Whenever you are visiting any supermarket or any shopping mall also or any organization also, upon purchasing the products, whatever the bill they have generated, that bill is called as an opportunity. Okay, which describes all the products, what products you have purchased. That each and every product name which they have mentioned inside that bill is called as a line item. That is called as a line item. Each product, whatever they have added inside that bill, that each product is called as a line item. So inside that opportunity, we can have multiple line items will be available. Multiple products information will be available over there. Now, for example, today morning, I went to the supermarket to buy some vegetables. So they have generated one bill. Today evening, I will go to the supermarket again to buy some grocery items. Again, they will be generating one more bill. Tomorrow, I will go to the supermarket to buy some fruits. Then they will generate one more. And then day after tomorrow, I will go to supermarket to buy some different items. Again, one more bill. That means what? Customer is same, but the opportunities are multiple. So that here, by conducting, okay, so now by using this feature, one customer can have multiple opportunities also. Okay, multiple opportunities. So between this account and opportunity, we are having one-to-many relation. Okay, between this account and opportunity, we have one-to-many relation. So one customer should be associated with the multiple opportunities as well. Okay, now next one. Now tell me what is the relation between account and case. Account means customer. Now tell me how many cases a customer can raise. Only one.
One to many.
Multiple.
Too many.
Because today I'm
One to
facing
many.
one product, I will raise one complaint. Maybe tomorrow I may face another problem. I will raise one more case. Maybe after 1 week I may face one more problem. Then I will raise one more case. That means customer is same, the cases are many. So one customer can be associated with multiple cases also. Okay, multiple cases also. Okay, now.
So, Firoz,
Next.
we have multiple customers, right? So the account to case will not be happen to be many to many.
Now, next one, the case and the solution. Now tell me. So one case, how many solutions that we can have? Multiple. For example, whenever I'm raising a complaint, immediately they have suggested some solution. So now I try to solve that problem, okay, with that steps, but no luck. Still my problem is persistent. My problem is not yet resolved. Still I'm facing the same issue. So I have reopened that same case again, boss, with this solution. Okay, this solution is not worked out for me. So I'm facing the same problem again. Then they will be suggesting one more solution to me. And then I tried that second solution also. But no luck, again, the same issue. Again, I have reopened the case. Then they have given the suggestion, please go to the nearest service center. They will fix that problem. So that means what case is same, but the solutions are multiple. So between this case and solution, we are having one-to-many association. Okay, now let's come to that account and contact. Now tell me what is the relation. One account should be associated with how many contacts?
Multiple.
One to many.
One to
One to
many
many.
contacts.
Now, in this case here, there is a small topic is available. Let me explain. Okay, now let me explain the concept. Yesterday, we have discussed about the CRM process. Okay, now let me explain, okay, one more step over so that we can understand the association between account and the contact. Now, for example, assume that yesterday we have discussed about the lead conversion process. Okay, how to capture the leads and how to convert that leads as a customer. Okay, we have discussed. Now, for example, assume that today Dell people are conducting a campaign. Okay, Dell people are conducting a campaign. Whenever they're conducting the campaign, so many people are showing interest. Those are called as leads. Those are called as leads. Nothing but these are individual people. Okay, these are individual people. Now tell me, who can use Dell products? Only individual peoples? Can't we use them inside our organization? Can't we use inside our business? Yes, everywhere. Because Dell people are offering laptops, desktops, mobiles, printers, so many products. So many hardware devices are offering to their customers. Now, when you go to IT organization also, they're using laptops, desktops, mobiles, printers, projectors, everything. When you go to supermarket also, they're using laptops, desktops, printers, projectors, everything. When you go to restaurant also, they're using laptops, desktops, and everything. So not only a individual person, each and every organization, each and every business also can use Dell products. Now, let's come to the scenario. Whenever Dell people are conducting this campaign, so many individual people are showing interest by visiting this campaign. Now, for example, today, TCS company showed interest to buy Dell products. Okay, TCS organization. So now TCS is an organization, Tata Consulting Services. Now, so now TCS is an organization who showed interest to buy Dell products. Why? Because is as part of TCS organization, they're having some lakhs of employees are available who are working for their clients. So recently, TCS people has recruited 1,000 people from the campus interview. So now all those 1,000 people are joining from Monday onwards. Monday is the onboarding date for all those 1,000 people. So once those people has joined the organization, for each and every employee, TCS people has to allocate some resources. Like for each employee, they have to allocate one ID card. They have to allocate one access card. They have to allocate one system. It may be laptop, it may be desktop, it may be whatever, anything. So they have to allocate a system. They have to allocate some internet access. They have to allocate a cubicle. So they have to provide a set of resources to each and every employee. Now, so TCS people are building the various software applications, but they are not manufacturing any laptops and desktops. So TCS people wants 1 lakh laptops from Dell. They're looking for 1 lakh laptops here or 1,000 laptops, whatever, depends upon the requirement here. They're going to purchase 1,000 laptops from the Dell people. So now Dell people are ready to provide these products also. Now let's see. So now TCS is an organization who just showed interest in our Dell products. Okay, now, so now tell me in this case here, lead is nothing but what? Is it a individual person or organization? Organization. In this case, how can we define the lead? Now let's see the latest definition of lead. When coming to the lead is nothing but a person or an organization or a business who just showed interest in your product or service. Okay, lead can be either an individual person or it may be an organization, it may be a business also. Okay, now let's see. So now here in this case here. Now, for example, today TCS company showed interest to buy the Dell products. Now I am the Dell salesperson here, or a marketing person. So now tell me, to whom do I need to contact here? TCS people showed interest. TCS company showed interest to buy Dell products. So now as a Dell marketing person or the Dell salesperson, to whom do I need to contact? CEO of this TCS company? No. Then to whom do I need to contact? Now, inside this TCS organization, they're having so many departments. Now, so in this TCS company, they have a department called as admin department or procurement department. These people are going to be keep on taking care of providing the various resources for their employees. For their employees, whatever the resources are required, all these resources are provided by the admin people, like ID cards, access cards, cubicles, cafeteria, systems, internet access, or any other resources, whatever are required for their employees, all the resources will be taken care by the admin people. In this admin department, they're having so many people are available. So do I need to contact all these people? No, just one person is sufficient. So I need to contact one person from the admin department. So I need one contact person details from admin department. I will meet that person. Boss, you showed interest to buy our Dell products. So now we are ready to provide 1,000 products to you, and you are a very valuable customer to us because you are ready to buy the products in terms of bulk. You are not only purchasing one laptop, you are ready to purchase 1,000 laptops. So we are ready to provide that 1,000 laptops. So you are purchasing the products in terms of bulk. So we are offering 15% discount also to you. And along with that, we are providing on-site service to you. If you are facing any problem with our product, you no need to come to our service center. Our service person will come to your organization. He will fix those problems immediately. Okay. Now, so in this case here, we are providing a quotation also. We are preparing the quotation. The quotation we are providing to that admin people here. Okay. Now, So once the quotation has been submitted to the admin person, admin people are not the right people to take the decision inside the TCS organization. So now once the quotation has been approved by the admin department, they're sharing this quotation to accounts department. Accounts department. So now in this case here, as part of this accounts department, they will review this quotation here. Okay, they will review this quotation and they will approve that quotation. So in order to know the approval of my quotation, I need one contact person, okay, information, okay, from the accounts department here. Okay, I need one contact person information from accounts department. Once the accounts department has approved that quotation, then they're forwarding the quotation to finance team. Okay, finance department. The finance department is going to be releasing the budget. So once I release the budget, we are going to be delivering the products to the customer's place automatically here. Okay, so that I need, okay, one contact person information from the finance team also. That means what? How many contacts are required now here? Multiple contacts are required. When, if the customer is of type organization, if the customer is of type organization, then we require multiple contacts also. So one contact from admin department, one contact from accounts department, one contact from the finance department here. So multiple contacts are required. So customer is same, that means TCS, but the contacts are multiple is available. Okay, customer is same, but the contacts are many. So between, okay, account and the contact, we can have one to many association is available. Now this kind of customer is called as, okay, this type of customer is called as, that means this type of account is called as business account. It is called as business account. Okay, business account. That means whenever if the customer is an organization or a business, then we are referencing that account is called as business account. If the customer is an individual person, if the customer is an individual person, we are calling it as person account. Okay, person account. These are the two types of accounts are available here. We have person account, we have business account. Person account means the customer is our individual person. Okay, customer is nothing but an individual person here who purchased our product. So at that time, for this particular customer, one contact is sufficient directly. Suppose if the customer is a business, okay, if the customer is an organization or a business, at that time we are referencing it as business account, so which requires multiple contacts also, so that between this account and the contact we are having one to many association is available. Okay, clear? So this is a common question in most of the interviews. So now what are the various types of accounts that we have? We have person account, we have business account. Person account in the sense, account means what? Customer. Yesterday we have discussed. Account means customer. Person account. That means for person account in the sense, the customer is an individual person. Whenever the customer is an individual person who just purchase our product, then we are calling it as, okay, person account, which requires one single contact record. That is sufficient. Because he is a single person, so we can able to maintain one contact also. Now, sometimes the customer may be a business, that means an organization. So at that time, we require multiple contacts also to contact those people. So in each department, we are having some multiple people are available. So at that time, we can able to go with that multiple contacts also. So whenever if the customer is an organization or a business, then we require, okay, multiple contacts also. For that reason, Salesforce has given one to many relation between, okay, account and contact. Okay, clear? Now this is the reason behind this. So now between this account and contact, we are having one to many association. Okay, these are few relations are available, okay, between these objects also. Okay, not only observing these objects, we should be aware of the relationships also between these objects as well. Okay, so between these objects, we should be aware of the associations also. Okay, why? Because is generally when you go to some other trainings, okay, for Salesforce, the first day they will be giving the demo, second day they will show you how to create the Salesforce account, how to use it. But whenever we are going to the Salesforce account without knowing this terminology and all these things, everything will be new. Okay, everything will be new. The people will be having some blank spaces. Okay, they'll be having their blank faces, so they don't know what exactly account, what exactly lead, and the contact opportunity they don't know. Okay, if you know all this terminology, then understanding that features and then understanding the functionalities will be very, very easy for us. Okay, now let's see here. Let me go to my Salesforce account here. Now let's see. I will show you how to create your own Salesforce account also. Okay. When moving forward, okay, we have two more theoretical sessions are available. Once it is done, I will show you how to create your own Salesforce account, which is a free account, which is a lifetime account, which will not get expired. Which will not get expired. And that too, whenever Salesforce is giving a new release. Basically, Salesforce is providing the new release for each and every 4 months. For every 4 months, you will be getting a new release from Salesforce with some latest features. Whatever the free account which you are going to create, for your free account also, Salesforce is giving the new release features to you on free of cost, without charging even a single rupee also. We can get some latest features from Salesforce. Whatever the features you will be getting in your account, same features will be there when you go to the real-time organization also. No changes at all. Okay, no changes at all. Okay, now, so before going to the Salesforce account, we have to understand the background architectural concept. That's what here I'm not showing how to create the Salesforce account right away. Okay, now, so now let me go to my existing Salesforce account and then let me show you the features. Now, let's see. So when you go to that, your Salesforce account, you will be having the similar kind of terminology here. Okay, the same terminology will be available. Now, upon accessing this application server, okay, upon accessing these applications, you will be having the same terminology. So now tell me here, do you know this word? Yes. Do you know this word? Do you know this word? Now, contacts, opportunities, cases, okay, like that here. So now whatever the terminology we have discussed, same terminology will be available inside your Salesforce applications as well. Okay, so before going to that application, first of all, we have to understand what exactly the terminology, what terms or what objects are using internally, what is the functionality of each and every term or object we should be aware of. So now when you go to this account object here, that already told you whatever the terms we have discussed, these are all are nothing but objects, nothing but tables. These are all are tables which contain some records. See, when you go to this accounts, so now this is an account table which contains all the customers information. It contains all the customers information available here. So now when you open any one of this customer record over here, like when you go to this, any one of this customer record, we can see. So now this is the customer details over here. This is the name of the customer, and then this is the rating value, phone number, fax number, website, everything. And along with that, we can see the related, because customer may be having some related contacts also. Customer will be having some related opportunities. How many opportunities we can have for one customer? Multiple. How many contacts we can have? Multiple. How many cases we can raise? Multiple. So these are the multiple cases over. So one customer can be associated with the multiple contacts, multiple opportunities, and the multiple cases over here. So customer is same, but the contacts are many, opportunities are many, and the cases are many. Okay, we can see all this information as well. So we have to understand the terminology, and the relation between those terminologies is also very, very important. Okay, clear? Now let's see. So now let's see the various cloud services offered by Salesforce to their customers on rental basis. Now let's see the cloud services. So that already we know, Salesforce is purely offering the cloud services to their customers, which can be accessible just with the help of browser and internet access. Okay, without having any installations, without maintaining any your hardware devices like as 4 GB of RAM, 8 GB of RAM, 1 terabyte of memory, without having any specific hardware configuration. Directly we can access your Salesforce application or the cloud applications with the help of browser internet access. Okay, now, so now as part of this Salesforce, they're offering various cloud services. Okay, Salesforce offers the various cloud services. So what are the various cloud services offered by Salesforce? Now let me explain. Basically, Salesforce is offering 7 cloud services. Okay, they're offering 7 cloud services. Okay, now, so what are those 7 cloud services? Now, let me explain. The first one, Salesforce is offering a first cloud service is called as Sales Cloud. Second one, Service Cloud. Third one, Marketing Cloud. Fourth one, App Cloud. This is also called as Application Cloud. Okay, this is also called as Application Cloud. As part of this App Cloud, we have 2 features are available. First one, Post.com platform. Second one, database.com. Okay, Post.com platform and database.com. And the fifth one is Commerce Cloud. Commerce Cloud. Sixth one, Health Cloud. Seventh one, Financial Force Cloud. Okay, Financial Force Cloud. So these are the various cloud services offered by Salesforce to their customers on rental basis. Now, they have offered Sales Cloud and then Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, App Cloud or Application Cloud. As part of this, we have 2 more features, Force.com platform and database.com. And then we have Commerce Cloud, especially for e-commerce applications, Health Cloud, especially for the healthcare applications also, okay, to maintain the relation between the doctor and the patient. Okay, now, so because of nowadays, because of the pandemic situation, that so many people are consulting the doctors through online, okay, by using some video conferences here. So that is purely built upon Health Cloud features only. Next one, Financial Force Cloud as well. Okay, only for financial organizations like as banking, finance, insurance, like that. So now slowly Salesforce is going to introducing some more features also. Okay, now. So now these are the various cloud services are available as part of your Salesforce. Now, when you go to the interview point of view, it's a common question, what exactly Sales Cloud, what exactly Service Cloud? It's a common question in every interview. Okay, it's a common question in every interview. What do you mean by Sales Cloud? What do you mean by Service Cloud? So now what objects you are using as part of Sales Cloud, what objects you are using as part of Service Cloud? Okay, you should be able to understand. Next, the second question is difference between Salesforce.com and Force.com. Okay, difference between Salesforce.com and Force.com. What exactly the difference over here? Already we know Salesforce.com and Force.com also. So now during the demo session also I have given that information. Salesforce.com is an organization which offers the various cloud services to their customers. From those cloud services, one of the cloud service is that is Force.com platform. Okay, Force.com platform, which we can use especially to design our own custom applications. In order to build our own custom applications, we are using the help of Force.com platform, which is offered by Salesforce people to their customers on rental basis. Okay, now. So now, the next third question is, what is the database for Salesforce? So as part of this Salesforce, we are storing sales related data, service related data, marketing related data, and we can store our own custom application related data also, banking data also, financial data also, manufacturing, consulting, e-commerce, whatever any application which you have built, so we can store our business related data. Then where it will store? What is the database is using by Salesforce? Salesforce is using Oracle or SQL Server or any other database, because we have so many databases are available in IT industry. Like we have Oracle, SQL Server, we have DB2, DBase, and then we have Sybase, and then we are having InvSQL, PostgreSQL, Teradata, MySQL. We have so many databases are available over here. Then which database Salesforce is using to store? Salesforce is not using all these third-party databases. Salesforce is using their own customized database that is called as database.com. That is called as database.com. Database.com is a customized database of Salesforce where all your Salesforce objects and the records will get resides. What are the tables given by Salesforce and what are the records we have created, all the data will be storing inside the database called as a database.com, which is a customized database of Salesforce. Okay, which is a customized database of Salesforce, which purely supports ORM technology, object relationship and the mapping. Okay, which purely supports ORM technology, that is called as object relationship and the mapping. What is the functionality of ORM? We'll see practically also. Okay, what is the use of ORM? What are the benefits are available with ORM? We'll see that concept as well. Okay, so these are few common questions are available when coming to the entry point of view. Even though you are going as a fresher or experienced also, these are few standard questions. Okay, now let's see each and every cloud service one by one. Okay, now the first one, Sales Cloud. Okay, first one, Sales Cloud. So what exactly Sales Cloud features? Basically, Sales Cloud features are used to automate all your sales related data. In order to automate all your sales processes inside your organization, we are using the help of Sales Cloud features. Okay, Sales Cloud features. Sales Cloud features are used to store your sales related data. Like, okay, we can store our leads data, we can store our customers data, their contacts data, their opportunities data, products data, contracts data, orders data, like that. Here, in order to store your sales related data, we are using this Sales Cloud features. Okay, now for example here, let me explain a small scenario so that we can understand. For example, we have an organization that is Big C. Okay, Big C. So now tell me, Big C is what? They're into what basically? They're into sales of mobiles, only mobile products. Okay, not other products here. Okay, now Big C people are purely into sales of mobile products here. Now tell me, they will be taking care of service also, marketing also? No, purely sales. That's it. Okay, now. So now when coming to the Big C is an organization which is one of the sales partner with the various mobile manufacturers. Okay, which is one of the sales partner with the various mobile manufacturers. Now let me explain in detail. We have so many mobile manufacturers are available in the world, like Samsung, Sony, HTC, and then we have like as a Geo, like that. We have so many mobile manufacturers are available. These people are going to be keep on inventing the latest models of mobiles with the different designs, with the different colors, with the different models, with the different configuration, with the different features, with the different prices. So now, as a mobile manufacturer, once the products are ready, then what can I do? I need to sell it out here. Now, then how can we sell out my products over here? Okay, how can we sell out my products over here? So now in this case here, how can we sell it out? How to do the marketing? How to sell out my product over here? Do I need to establish the stores in different places to sell out my products? No. If it is in one city, I can establish some stores also, either 5 stores or 10 stores I can establish. But whatever the products we are manufacturing, these products are not only using by one city people, these products can be utilized by all the people in the entire world. So establishing the store in the entire world is very, very difficult. It's a huge investment process. So we can't do that much of investment. For that one, we are appointing some sales partners so that as a manufacturer, I will keep on concentrate on manufacturing the latest models of mobile. My sales partner will keep on take care of sales of my products over here. Okay, I can keep on inventing the latest models, and those people will keep on selling out my products also. So that here I can reduce some risk. I can reduce some investment also here, so that I can save some budget as well. So for that reason, when coming to that organizations, they're appointing so many sales partners. From those sales partners, one of the sales partner is Big C. Okay, they're purely taking care of sales. They're not giving any services. Okay, now. So when coming to the Big C people, they're providing the various mobile products from different manufacturers. They're providing the products from Samsung. They're providing the products from Sony also. They're providing the products from HTC also. They're providing the products from Apple also. So these people are providing the various mobile manufactured products. Okay, now upon selling out these products, they're following the various processes. While selling out the products, they're following various processes here. Now let me explain those processes. Now, as part of Samsung, upon selling out this product, some A70 model, okay, Samsung A70 model, they're charging 25,000 rupees as the mobile cost. Okay, they're charging 25,000 rupees as the mobile cost. Along with that, they're providing 8 GB of memory card on free of cost. Okay, 8 GB of memory card on free of cost. Generally, whatever the amount that I have invested, in that amount will be getting only that mobile product. That's it. But in order to attract more customers, in order to sell out more products, in order to close more deals, in order to generate more revenue, okay, they are going to be offering some additional discounts also to the people. They're offering some benefits also to the people by offering some additional, okay, memory cards also. They're offering some free insurance services also. They're offering some additional features also over here. Now, so upon selling out this mobile product A70 model, they are charging 25,000 rupees as the mobile cost, and along with that, they're providing your 8 GB of memory card on free of cost. Now, while selling out that mobile product, some A50s model, they're charging 20,000 rupees as the mobile cost, and along with that, they're providing 2 years of free insurance service. Along with that, they're providing 8 GB of memory card over here on free of cost. Now, while selling out this mobile product, okay, some A51s, they're charging 22,000 rupees as the mobile cost. Along with that, they're providing a luggage bag also on free of cost. Okay, a luggage bag also on free of cost. That means what here? Along with each and every product, they're offering some discounts also. They're offering some additional benefits also to the customer to attract the customer over here so that they can close more deals, they can sell out more products, they can generate more revenue also within very short span of time. Okay, now, so now tell me, in this case, when you observe these benefits, the benefits are different from product to product. For A70 model, okay, only one benefit, that is 8 GB memory card. For A50s model, they're providing 2 years of free insurance service along with 8 GB of memory card on free. For A51s model, they are providing one luggage bag as free of cost. That means what? Product to product, these benefits are different. That too, these benefits will not be available lifelong. These benefits will not be available lifelong. If the product is a new arrival into the market, you will be getting only the mobile product over here. No discounts, no benefits at all. Once the product is 3 months older in the market, they will start applying some more benefits also to the customer so that they can close more deals as well. So if the product is, okay, older than 3 months, then they are going to be introducing 8 GB of memory card. If the product is, okay, 6 months old in the market, they're introducing, okay, 2 years of free insurance service along with that 8 GB of memory card. If the product is, okay, 1 year old in the market, they're providing some 25% discount. If the product is 3 years old in the market, they're providing 1+1 offer. Okay, like that. In order to close those deals, in order to close more deals, in order to generate more revenue, they're offering the various discounts also to people. These discounts are called as big deals features when coming to Salesforce. Now, these kind of discounts are called as big deals feature in Salesforce. Okay, these are called as big deals feature. Okay, now, so in this case, if you want to automate all these kind of sales processes, we are using the help of Sales Cloud. So Sales Cloud is a feature which contains all these features inbuilt, okay, in order to automate our sales processes. As part of our organization, you may be offering either products, you may be offering either services also. Upon selling out your products or upon selling out your services, what are the processes you are going to follow? All those processes we can automate with the help of a feature called as Sales Cloud. Okay, simply in one sentence, we can say Sales Cloud is purely dealing with the sales module of your organization, which is used to store your sales related data. Okay, in terms of general terminology, when you go to that CRM, we can say Sales Cloud features are used to automate all the sales processes which we are following inside the organization upon selling out our products or services. Now, then how can we automate all these features? To automate all these features, Salesforce has given a ready-made application as part of CRM that is called as Sales application. Salesforce has given a ready-made application called as Sales, which is the inbuilt application which contains all the features inbuilt which we can use to automate all your sales-related data. We no need to build this application manually by our own. We no need to build all these features manually by our own. So now these features are inbuilt as part of Sales application. Sales is a ready-made application which has been given by Salesforce as part of Salesforce CRM. Okay, clear? Now, then where we can see this application over here? Now, let me show you. When you go to your Salesforce arc, okay, when you go to your Salesforce arc, so now this is a sales application which has been given by Salesforce here. I have customized this one according to your business requirement. We can customize here because that already told you in the previous session. Also, we have discussed Salesforce is providing Salesforce CRM, which can be used to store your sales related data, marketing related data, and then your service related data also. It may be related to a hotel also, restaurant also, supermarket also, online shopping also, or any MNC company also, whatever. So now according to your requirement, we can customize. So this is a sales application given by Salesforce. I have customized this sales application according to my need over here. I have applied our own company logo also. I have changed this logo as like as Tesla Sales. Instead of simply sales application name, I'm using like as Tesla Sales over here. Because the same Salesforce CRM we can use in any organization as well. According to their need, they can able to customize. I will show you how to do all these customizations, everything we'll see practically also when moving forward. Okay, now. So now Sales is a ready-made application which contains all these features inbuilt in order to automate your sales related data. Okay, clear? Now, make a note of this one. Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud features are used to automate all the sales processes followed inside the organization upon selling out the products or services to the customers. Now, we can automate the sales processes by using sales application. By using sales application. By using sales application given by Salesforce as part of Salesforce CRM. Okay, as part of Salesforce CRM, Salesforce has given a ready-made application called as Sales. Now, so now tell me, in order to store your sales related data, what kind of objects are suitable? You know, we have listed out so many objects as of now. Okay, so now just now we have listed out so many objects. Now tell me from these objects, which objects are suitable to store your sales related data? Lead.
Campaigns, leads,
Lead.
account.
As a
Contact.
salesperson, if I want to
Contact.
contact the people, then we need that lead data here. We can contact the lead people. We can convert them as our customers. So we need lead, and then account, and then contact, opportunity, and then we can go with that product, price book, order, contract, quote. These are few objects over here because we are not dealing with case, because we are not into service here, we are into sales. So sales people are not taking care of cases, solutions, and everything. Okay, now, so we should be able to analyze, because it's a common question in most of the interviews. So as part of Sales Cloud, what kind of objects we can deal with, we should be able to explain that here. Okay, so these are the various objects which we are using to store our sales related data. Okay, now in this case here, let me give the object names here. So in this case, we are using the various objects. We can use the below objects to store sales related data. Now, for example, lead, account, contact, opportunity, product, price book, order, contract, quote, document, task, event. Like that, we can able to use the various objects over here, and along with that, Salesforce has given a feature called as analytics. Okay, Salesforce has given a feature called as analytics of feature here. Not only doing the sales, not only storing your sales related data, by end of the day, we can generate some reports also. By end of the day, I want to generate some reports. Like it may be daily reports, weekly reports, monthly reports, whatever. Branch-wise report, city-wise report, area-wise report, region-wise report, reports based on representative, reports based on the manufacturer, reports based on the product here. We can able to generate some reports as well. Okay, now. So in this case here, as part of the Salesforce, not only they're providing that objects, they have given that feature called as analytics feature. As part of analytics, we are having two features available inside that. What are those two features we have in analytics? Reports and dashboards, right? Exactly. So we have reports and dashboards feature. So we can configure the reports, and that report data we can show in pictorial format by using dashboards. So now this analytics feature is available inbuilt in Salesforce. How this dashboards look like? Okay, yesterday we have discussed in the previous session. I showed you how the dashboard look like here. Okay, we'll see practically how to configure each and every feature. Will go in detail. It's not like as what is what concept. We are going in detail with practical real-time use cases as well. End-to-end processes we'll see practically. Done with these points? Now, next one, the second cloud service. Now let's see. The second cloud service is service cloud features. So what exactly the service cloud? Now let's see. For every organization, sales is not important. Service is very, very important. Okay. For any organization, it may be hotel, it may be restaurant, supermarket, online shopping, e-commerce, banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, whatever it might be, sales is not important. Service is very, very important, because the customer will buy the product only once. As an organization, we have to provide lifelong service to our customers. Always we have to make our customer happy. Always we have to make our customers satisfied. So whenever the customer is facing any problem, immediately we have to respond. We have to fix those customers' problem. So if I'm providing very quality services, then only the customer will stay with me for a long time. We will continue to use my products for a long time. In future, if we want some more products, then he will come to me again, so that I can sell out one more product, I can generate some more revenue as well. And he will be giving some good feedback. Because of the good feedback, I will get some more references also, so that I can make my organization grow. I can maintain a good credibility in the market as well. Suppose if I'm not responding to my customers' calls, if I'm not providing proper solutions, so in this case, customer won't show interest to buy my products in future. And that too, he will be giving some wrong feedback in the internet. Because of that wrong feedback, I will be losing some credibility in the market. So because of that, I will lose some more references also. I will be losing my brand in the market here. That's what here, always we have to be concentrate more on service. Sales is not important. Service is very, very important for each and every organization. So now in this case, when coming to the organizations, not only at the time of sales, at the time of services also, they're following various processes in order to automate. Okay, so they are following the various processes upon giving the services also to their customers. Now, let me explain what kind of processes they used to follow and how to automate by using Service Cloud. What features are available in Salesforce to automate these service processes? Now, let me explain. Okay, now, so let's come to a small scenario. For example, we have an organization like, for example, GE. I hope everybody is aware of this organization, GE, General Electric. Okay, now, so now tell me they're into what? Manufacturing, healthcare, security, or what? Hmm. Now, basically, G is having so many divisions. Okay, G is having so many divisions. They have a security division. As part of GE security, they're manufacturing the various security related products, like they're manufacturing access card systems, biometric systems, and then fire alarms also. When you go to any movie theater, when you go to any big shopping mall, okay, on the top of that ceiling, you will be having some small, okay, you will be having the small devices are available over here to prevent the people from the fire accidents. Okay, now, so now those are purely manufactured by the GE security division over here. As part of GE security, they are going to manufacture the various of fire alarms also. Okay, now, next one, GE is having energy division. Energy division. As part of GE energy, they're concentrating on energy related products like bulbs, tube lights, transformers. They're manufacturing the various energy related products also. G into transi-cold domain as well. Okay, transi-cold. So now what do you mean by this transi-cold? As part of this transi-cold, they're manufacturing the various chillers. Okay, chillers. Okay, now let me explain what exactly the chiller here. For example, now we have a small room. In this room, to make this room temperature cool, we have some 3 ACs are available in this room here. Suppose, for example, I'm having a very big shopping mall, which is having some 50 floors. Then how can we make that entire building temperature cool? Will you able to fit some small ACs in everywhere? No, it's a huge expensive process. For that one here, they are going to be establishing a very big AC machine on top of the building that is called as chillers. Now those chillers are manufacturing by the GE people as part of GE transi-cold domain. Okay, and then along with that here, G is having a division called as healthcare. Whenever you are visiting any medical diagnostic centers to have some medical test, because it may be NRM, MRI scanning or whole body scanning, at that time, whatever the equipments are using by the medical diagnostics people, most of the devices are manufactured by the GE healthcare people here. Okay, now, like the similar way, GE people has manufactured a product called as turbine. Okay, turbine. Turbine is a very expensive product, okay, which is a very expensive product manufactured by the GE people, which is used to get oil and the gas from the sea or from the earth. In order to get the oil and the gas from the sea or from the earth, they are going to be using the product called as turbine. It's a very expensive product manufactured by the GE people, where we have to invest some millions of dollars to buy this product. The organizations or the businesses who are running their business in oil and gas domain, those people are using this turbine product. Like for example, Reliance, Hindustan Petroleum, Bharat Petroleum, ONGC, Shell Incorporation, United Island Gas. Like that, we have so many organizations are available who are running their business purely into oil and gas domain. When you go to some Reliance major business is oil and gas. Remaining all are small subsidiaries, like as Reliance Fresh, Reliance Digital, Reliance Trends. These are not their major businesses. These are small subsidiaries. Their major business is oil and gas. From that business, they're generating some huge revenue. Okay, now, so in this case, when coming to the Reliance people, they would like to buy this turbine product. Okay, they would like to buy the turbine product here. Why? Because this product is exactly suits to the Reliance business. Okay, this product is exactly suits to the Reliance business. Okay, now, so in this case, Reliance people wants to buy this product turbine. Okay, now, so now here, before purchasing this product turbine, Reliance people are going to be having a question to the GE people. Dear GE organization, we are Reliance, we are into some oil and gas domain. So we are running our business since very long time. So now recently you have manufactured a product that is turbine, which exactly suits to our business. Okay, now, so we are ready to buy that product. We are ready to do the investment of some millions of dollars. Now fine. Suppose once I'm using this product here, upon using that product, if this turbine has been stopped for 2 hours, If the turbine product has been stopped for 2 hours, then my whole production will be getting stopped. If my production is stopped, then my customers will be getting affected. My business will be impacted automatically. Here I will be getting some course of loss. Then who is responsible in this case? Will you provide the service or not? If you are ready to provide the service, then how soon can you provide the service? I won't give 1 day of time. I won't give 2 days of time to you to fix that problem, because if this product has been stopped for 2 days, I will be getting some course of loss. Then who will be responsible over here? Will you provide the service or not to me? How soon can you provide the service? For that one, they will be having some agreement with the GE people. So now the Reliance people are going to be having an agreement that is called as SLA. That is called as SLA. Service level agreements. That is called as service level agreements here. Okay, now that means what? At the time of service also, they would like to have some documentation. They will be like to have some agreements also, that is called as SLA. Those are also called as service level agreements. Now in this service level agreement, they will be clearly describing that. Okay, they will be clearly describing that how soon GE people has to provide the service to that product over here. Okay, now suppose for example here, as part of this SLA, they have committed. So now the GE people has committed to provide the service here. Like for example, whenever the Reliance people are facing any issue with the product, GE people has to respond. They have to solve the problem. So now depends upon the severity of the issue, they have to be fix that issue within a specific time frame. Like for example, so now if the case of priority, that means there is a major issue is available inside the product, because of that the complete product has been stopped. So at that time, they're giving the priority as high. If it is a high priority issue, they have to fix within 2 hours of time. Okay, maximum 2 hours, not more than that. Suppose if it is a medium priority here, okay, medium priority, they have to fix that issue within 4 hours, because so now inside that product, the most of the features are working, but few features are not working here. So my production is not at stop. My production is continuing as it is. My business is not yet impacted. So you can take your own time within 4 hours. You can fix that problem. Now, if the priority is equals to less, that means very low. That means only one feature is not working. Most of the features are working. Okay, only one feature is not working. That too, I'm not using feature much. Okay, so that we can take 8 hours of time. We can fix that issue also. Because my business is continuing as it is, so you can take your own time. Okay, within 8 hours, fix my issue over. So they would like to have these time frames also. They're indicating over here. Okay, they're going to be indicating these time frames. Now these kind of time frames are called as entitlements. These are called as entitlements over here. Okay, these are called as entitlements. Okay, now so now here in this case here, when coming to the Salesforce, entitlements is a separate feature which has been given by Salesforce, which we can configure over there. Okay, which we can configure. So now here we can able to configure the entitlements over here. So we have a separate features are available, entitlement management features over here. We can configure the entitlement processes, settings also, templates also, milestones also, everything we can configure. Okay, now, so all the features inbuilt available over here. So now in this case, we can configure the time frame. You see, within how much time you can able to fix this issue. Now, come to a small scenario. For example, you can raise a question. Sir, suppose for example, today, Reliance people are facing some problem here, okay, with the product. So now they have raised a case morning at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. IST, which is a high priority issue. Okay, which is a high priority issue. There is a major problem. Product has been stopped. The business has been affected over here. So immediately they have raised a case. As soon as the case has been getting raised by the Reliance people, immediately GE people has responded, and then they have assigned one service person also. Okay, they have raised the case as 10 a.m. IST. Immediately, GE people has responded. They have assigned a service person to this particular case. Okay, that is at 10:05 a.m. That means within 5 minutes of time, they have assigned the service person. He is working on the problem over here. Now the time is 12 o'clock. Now the time is 12 o'clock. Still the problem is not solved. Still he is working on the problem. He is continuing to work on the problem here. Now the time is 4 p.m. Now the time is 4 p.m. So now the problem has been fixed. The problem has been solved. That means what? For the high priority issue, GE people has committed 2 hours of time. But here they have taken 4 more hours additionally. Because of this 4 more hours, I got 2 crores of loss. Then who is responsible for my loss? In this case, whatever the loss that I got, for that loss here, we have to collect that amount from the GE as a penalty. Because GE people has to pay that amount as a penalty to Reliance people if they're unable to provide that service within the committed time frame over there. Whatever the additional time they have taken, so it depends upon the additional time, whatever the loss the company got, that loss we have to pay as a penalty from the GE. So now if I'm not paying that amount to the Reliance people can go with a legal process also. They can file a case on my organization. That whole information will be available inside your SLA document itself. In your SLA document itself, they will be clearly mentioning the whole information. What are the priorities are available? What is the committed time frame? If you are unable to fix that problem within the time frame, whatever the additional time that you have taken, for that one, who is responsible? If you are not paying that amount, then what can I do? Can I go with legal process or not? The whole information will be documenting inside your SLA document itself. That's what here when you go to your organizations, you will be having that SLA is mandatory. In terms of service, SLA is mandatory. Service level agreements, not only at the time of sales, during the services also we are following certain processes. We can automate all those processes by using a feature called as Service Cloud. Okay, clear? Now, let's see. When you go to your organization also, when you go to your Salesforce account, you will be having all those features will be available here. What kind of SLAs they have committed to the people, we can able to cross check those SLAs also. Now let's see, when you go to this here customer, for each customer what kind of SLA we have committed. Is it gold? Is it silver? Is it platinum? Is it bronze? These are the 4 types of SLAs are available here. Then how long time you are going to providing this kind of committed SLA time frame? So for that one we can specify SLA expiration date also, till what time we have committed over here. We can specify the SLA document serial number also. They're mentioning all this information. All the features are available inbuilt inside this here. Depends upon the SLA type, the time frames will be keep on changing over here. Okay, for the gold SLA, the time frames are different. For the silver, different time frames. For the platinum, different. For the bronze, different time frames will be available over there. Okay, so all the features are available inbuilt as part of your Salesforce application, okay, which has been given by Salesforce. Clear? Now let's see, let me explain one more small general scenario. For example, today I'm facing some problem with my mobile network. Okay, today I'm facing some problem. So I'm having some full signal with my mobile, I'm having some data balance also, but I'm unable to access the internet. I'm unable to access the internet. Then what can you do? Immediately we are making a call to the customer care. Once you make a call to the customer care, one of the customer care person will be receiving your call. Once you receive the call, immediately will be getting a voice message. Your call is recording for auditing and the quality purpose. Why? Why they are recording this conversation? What is the use of this recording? What they are going to do with this recording file? Why?
They'll take you.
Now let's see.
File a case,
Let
they
me
will
explain
take a
that.
reference.
For example, assume that today I made a call to the customer care. So one of the customer care executive has received my call here. For example, he is a person here. He has received my call. He is one of the customer care center person. So now whenever I'm explaining this problem, he is not at all listening my problem. He is talking aggressively. His attitude is not good. His behavior is not good. He's not at all listening my problem. Okay, he's not giving the proper solution to me. So I got irritated with the call. I have disconnected that call. I made a call to the higher officials of that mobile network people. I have raised a complaint. So now, dear customer, so now today I spoke to one of your service representatives, some Ramesh Kumar, but his attitude is not good. His behavior is not good. He's not at all listening my problem. So please take some action on this person. So now in this case, if I'm raising a complaint on the service person, how these people will know what is the conversation I had with this person? For that one, those people will go to that person, they will open that recording file, whatever the conversation we had, they will be listening that conversation. Based on that, they can take some action on the person also. That means they're monitoring whether the people, whether the service people are giving the proper solutions to our customers or not. whether they're giving that proper solutions within the time frame or not, whether they're making our customers happy or not. Because if I'm not making the customer happy, then we can't run the business for a lifetime. Okay, we can't make our business grow. So that's what here always we have to make sure, okay, our customer should be happy, our customer should be satisfied. So to monitor each and every service person's individual performance, they are going to be using these kind of processes. Now, for example, once you are disconnecting the call, immediately you are getting a message. Just now you have spoken with one of our service persons, some Ramesh Kumar. Are you satisfied with the answer or not? If yes, press A or else press B. That means they're collecting feedbacks also. Okay, to monitor the individual people's performances, to make sure whether the customers are satisfied with our services or not, so that we can improve our qualities also inside our services. That's what here, when coming to the organization, not only at the time of sales, at the time of service also, we have to increase our processes as well. To automate all those processes, we are using the help of this Service Cloud features. Okay, clear? Now, let's see. Then how can we automate these Service Cloud features? In order to automate the Service Cloud features, we are having an inbuilt application that is called as Service. Salesforce has given a ready-made application that is called as Service. With the help of that Service application, we can automate all the service-related processes, like as our cases also, solutions also, customers information, contacts information, feedbacks information, everything we can automate at one place by using Service application. Okay, clear? Now, make a note of this one, Service Cloud. By using Service Cloud features, we can automate all the service processes followed inside the organization. Okay, followed inside the organization. To make the customer satisfied, and we can maintain the good credibility in the market. We can maintain the good credibility in the market. Now, we can automate the service processes by using Service application. Service is a ready-made application which has been given by Salesforce inbuilt as part of your Salesforce CRM. As part of Salesforce CRM, they have given a ready-made application called as Service. Now let me explain the objects. What objects that we are using to store our service-related data here? Now, to store the service-related data, we have to use the below objects. Like for example, account. That means customer. To which customer we need to give the service? What is the contact details of the customer? What is the complaint the customer has raised? Solution. Feedback object. Feedback question object. Feedback question set object. Feedback request object. Feedback template object. Performance cycle object. Goal object. Metric. Macro. Knowledge article version. User provisioning request. Scorecard. Quick text. Coaching. Like that, we are using so many objects as part of this service application, and along with that, we are having the analytics feature which provides the reports and dashboards facilities in built. Dashboards. So these are the various features. Not only collecting these complaints, so by end of the day, we need to generate some reports also. So how many complaints or cases we have received today? From these cases, how many cases we have solved? How many cases still we are working? How many cases we have not yet started? How many cases has been escalated? Area-wise case, and then the product-wise case reports, so that we can generate the various reports also according to your requirement by using this analytics feature as well. So not only storing the data, we have to generate some reports also over there. Done? Done with these points? Now, let's see. Now, as part of Service Cloud, not only providing this a service application, Salesforce has given some more additional features also. Salesforce has given few more additional features also as part of Service Cloud. Now let me explain. The first one is knowledge base. This is also called as content. Knowledge base or content. So what do you mean by this knowledge base or content? What it contains? Okay.
Solution for the problems related like KP articles.
Now simply we can say these are like as knowledge articles. Okay, knowledge articles also we can say. That means here, for example, assume that. For example, assume that I'm working in an organization as a Salesforce developer. So today, my technical lead has given some requirement to me to write some piece of code. I have started working on that code, but in the middle of the development, somewhere I have stuck up. I'm not getting any idea how to go ahead. I'm not getting any idea how to write that remaining code. So in this case, generally what we can do, immediately we can go to that Google, because Google is a knowledge base. So in that Google, we are searching for that information. Do we have this kind of code is readily available? If yes, we can copy that code, we can paste, and we can continue to develop my application features. If that ready-made code is not available in the Google, then I will contact the other people over here. My colleagues also, my seniors also, my friends. We can contact the other people to get some suggestions. Based on that, I can go ahead to complete my task. So in this case, whenever you are facing any problem, if you are facing any problem, then immediately the people are making a call to the customer care. Now tell me, in customer care center, how many people are available? Hardly 1,000 service people may be available. But for my organization, we are having some millions of customers are available who are utilizing the products. If all these people are raising some cases, then now tell me, this 1,000 people are sufficient to solve all the customers' problems? No. This is not satisfied. This is not sufficient here. In this case, what we can do, instead of making a call to the customer care, so we would like to route the customer to some different direction over here. Okay, we'd like to route the customer to different directions. Whenever the customer is facing the problem, don't make a call to the customer care. Please go to your alternative directions here. There I have placed some cases and solutions information. That is called as knowledge base. Then what do you mean by knowledge base? Knowledge base is nothing but a feature which contains all the cases and the solutions are available. Case, solution, case solution, like as frequently asked questions. Okay, question answer like that. Placing the case solution, all the cases and the solutions are available inside this knowledge base. So please go to this knowledge base, verify your problem also has been mentioned over there. If yes, below that question you will be having the solution steps are available. Try to use that, fix your problem. If your problem is not yet solved, then make a call to the customer care over here. Okay, don't make a call to the customer care unnecessarily, because it will take some time to fix your problem. Maybe it will take 1 day or 2 days of time. Till that time you can't wait, because you may be in some emergency also. So immediately we can go to the knowledge base, get that solutions and solve your problem by your own. For that reason, Salesforce has given a feature called as knowledge base. Okay, clear? Now next, second one. The second feature is they have given a feature called as live agent. This is also called as omni-channel. Nowadays, so these are also called as chatbots. Okay, chatbots. So what exactly the live agent? I think most of the people might be aware of. Okay. Now, nowadays, whenever you are accessing so many websites, in most of the website at the top bottom right corner, you will be getting a small live chat feature is available. You will be getting a small live chat feature is available. That live chat feature is also called as live agent in Salesforce. That is also called as omni-channel in Salesforce. Okay, that is called as omni-channel. Those are also called as chatbots. Okay, now, so what exactly the live agent feature? Whenever you are facing any problem, then don't make a call to the customer care directly. Just you can able to use our live agent feature. Through this feature, we can have some conversation with our service advocates. Because our service advocates and the service engineers are available through online and 24/7, please have some live conversation with the people. Through this live agent feature, you can explain the problem. They will suggest some solutions also to you. Based on that, you can able to fix your problem by your own. Or else they will suggest you to go to the nearest service center also. So please contact this service engineers or the service advocate people through this live agent feature to get the solutions. Okay, through live, that means through online we can get that solutions also. That facility will be available. Okay, now this is the second way. That means what? Instead of making a call to the customer care, they're routing the customer to the various directions over, so that we can reduce the number of complaints. If the number of complaints has been reduced, then that means our customers are happy. Okay, our customers are satisfied. Okay, now next one, third one. Salesforce has given a feature called as communities. Communities. Nowadays, these communities are also called as Experience Cloud. These are also called as Experience Clouds. So what do you mean by a community now? What exactly a community generally? Group of people. Okay, right.
Group of
okay,
people.
a group of people who can communicate with each other. Okay, who can communicate with each other. Because nowadays, whatever the social media platforms that we have, those are all are nothing but communities, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp. These are all are nothing but okay, community platforms where a group of people can communicate with each other. Now, let me explain a small scenario, what exactly a community, how the community will help you a lot. Okay, now let me explain. Suppose, for example, sometime before, almost 5-6 years before, okay, suppose, for example, if I'm looking for a 2 BHK flat, okay, in Hyderabad, then what we need to do? We have to contact nearest agent. Okay, we have to contact nearest agent. Because we don't know where exactly the vacant houses are available, so we don't know all this information. And that too, we don't have some time, okay, to search for all the areas over there. For that one, we are contacting some agent, okay, over the phone. The agent will be aware of all the vacant houses available in that particular area. Then we have to pay some amount to the service, to the contact agent person. Agent person is going to be giving the details about the vacant houses. From there, we can able to select the vacant house to take it on rent. So in this case, we're wasting some time, we're wasting some money also. But now the situation is completely reverse. We no need to meet any agent. We no need to waste your money. You no need to waste your time. Simply, I will go to my Facebook. In that Facebook, I'm posting that information. I'm looking for a 2 BHK flat in so-and-so Kukatpalli area. If any of you aware of any toilet board, so please give me that information. Whenever I'm posting the information inside my Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or in my WhatsApp also, this information will be visible to all my contacts people. If any of the person aware of a toilet board is posting that information, is giving the reply, boss, today I have observed a toilet board in this area. This is the contact number of that flat owner, please contact. That means what? One person has raised the question, second person has given the solution over here. No need of third party people, no need of any contact, no need to contact any agent and the third party people. Directly, one person can able to raise the question, second person can give the solution also. This is the major advantage of community platforms. That's what Salesforce has given a community platform also to you. So now Salesforce has given a feature called as communities. With the help of these communities, we can able to make all the customers can communicate with each other. We can make all the customers can communicate with each other also. One customer can raise the case, second person can give the solution also. That means what? Customers are sharing their knowledge. Customers are sharing their problems. Customers are sharing their solutions so that they can able to solve their problems by themselves, so that they no need to contact any customer care people over here. Directly, they can get the solutions also from the other people, so that we can reduce the number of complaints also, so that we can able to make our customers happy. For that reason, Salesforce has given a feature called as communities. Okay, as part of communities, we have two types of communities are available in Salesforce. First one is partner community. Second one, customer community. Okay, partner community. Second one, customer community here. So community is nothing but a platform where a group of people can communicate with each other. They can share their knowledge, they can share their problems, they can share their solutions, they can share their experiences as well. Okay, now, so here in this point, let me explain one more small point over here. Now, sometimes the people might be having some questions in their mind. Sir, as of now, I'm having some 8 years of experience or 6 years of experience or 10 years of experience on other technology, maybe Java, .NET or SAP or any other technology. But now I'm switching my career from SAP to some Salesforce. So definitely I will add some experience on Salesforce before attending the interviews. Now, once I joined the company, upon working on the project, if I'm facing any problem, then to whom do I need to contact? How can I get the help? If you're stuck up in any of that issue, upon working on that project, upon working on any requirement, if you're stuck up anywhere, then how can we get the help? To whom do we need to contact? I don't have any friends who are working on Salesforce. Because my previous technology is Java, so I have so many friends who are working on Java. If I got any issue on Java, I'm contacting those people. But now I have switched to Salesforce. But I don't have any friends who are working on Salesforce. Then how can I get the help? To whom do I need to contact? In this case, no need to worry about this part. Salesforce has given a community to you that is called as developer community. Salesforce has given an inbuilt community to you that is called as developer community. In that developer community, whatever the Salesforce developers are available in the entire world, in across all the countries also, whatever the Salesforce developers are available, whatever the people are available who are working on Salesforce in the entire world, all those people are members of the developer community, so we can join that community also. So now in that community, as of now, we have more than 6 million people are available. More than 6 million. That means more than 60 lakhs people are available who are part of that community. Okay, who are part of that community. Now let me show you. Just you can go to that developer community here. So let's go to that Salesforce developer community. Now, so when you go to this Salesforce developer community, we are having more than 6 million people are available here. So now here we are having more than 6 million people are available who are working on Salesforce in the entire world. Those all the people are members of this community over here. Whenever you are facing any problem, whenever you are stuck up anywhere also upon developing the application, just to come to this community, post your question also inside this. Okay, post your question also inside this place over here. So now, as soon as whenever you're posting the question, any one of the community member will be giving the solutions to you over there. Okay, we have 60 lakhs people are available who are working on Salesforce from the various domains, and the different technologies also, and the different domains the people are working. They're having some different experiences also. So all these people are ready to help you out. So that much of help is available and that much of support is available from Salesforce, so that no need to worry about that. Salesforce, even though you are new to Salesforce, even though you are adding some experience, then no need to feel alone. So we are having almost 60 lakhs people are available who are ready to help you out. But basically this kind of community is not available for any other programming languages. We have so many other programming languages are available in the IT industry, but we haven't seen this kind of community for any other programming language. First time Salesforce people has made all the Salesforce developers on a single platform, so the people can share their problems, they can share their knowledge, they can share their experiences, they can share the solutions also. One person can raise a question, second person will give the solutions also. That much of help and support is available from Salesforce as well, so that no need to feel alone here, because we're having a developer community. In this developer community, all the resources will be available to you, documentations, the materials, the study guides also, everything is available and free inside this developer community for you, because we don't have any books in bookshops for Salesforce, because Salesforce is giving the new releases for each and every 4 months. So the publisher people can't update the book for every 4 months. It will be very difficult for them. So that we don't have any books for Salesforce in bookshops. Every information we can collect it from the developer community itself. The user guides and the materials and the notes also, everything is available here itself. Okay, and free. Okay, no need to pay any additional amount to Salesforce people. Okay, so now in this case, Salesforce has given that communities also, as part of the service cloud. So we have knowledge base, we have live agent, and we have communities. Okay, now observe this one. If it is sales, simply sales application. Okay, simply sales application. If it is service cloud, we have service application is available. Along with we have knowledge base, live agent, communities. That means more features are available. Now let's observe this one, how important the service is for an organization. Okay, we have more features are available here, because to make our customer happy, to provide very quality services to our customers. Okay, that's what I told you. Sales is not important, service is very, very important for each and every organization. Okay, clear? Now, next one, we have few more cloud services are available. We'll see these cloud services in tomorrow's session here. Okay, in tomorrow's session we'll see the remaining features: marketing cloud, and then app cloud, commerce cloud, healthy cloud, and the financial cloud. These are simple features, but this will be taking some half an hour time over here. So within 1 hour we can complete these features, and we'll move forward to some more features called as releases. Okay, releases. How frequently Salesforce is providing the new releases? What are those release dates? What are those release names? What kind of features Salesforce will provide as part of each and every release? How do we know what new features they have introduced in each release? How can we verify that information? Where we can see that information? Everything we'll see practically in tomorrow's session over here as part of releases. Okay, clear? Now, thank you.
Thank you, sir.